Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest tools and gadgets. Today, we've got something special for all you plumbers out there. The Universal Socket, a game changer when it comes to plumbing and DIY projects. Stick around because you won't want to miss this. So, what makes this Universal Socket the best power tool for plumbers on the market? Well, let's dive right into it. First off, it's incredibly versatile. The Universal Socket can self-adjust to any size, from standard 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch, and metric 7 mm to 19 mm. That means it can handle a wide range of nuts and bolts, making it a must-have for any plumber's toolkit. Whether you're dealing with hex nuts, screw eyes, hooks, tension screws, or bolt heads, this socket has got you covered. It's like having a whole set of sockets in one compact tool. And here's the kicker. It works seamlessly with a power drill. Imagine how much time and effort you can save on your plumbing jobs with this little powerhouse. Now, let's talk about durability. The Universal Socket is made from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of your toughest plumbing projects. It's built to last, which means you won't have to worry about it failing you when you need it the most. From tightening bolts to loosening nuts, this tool is your go-to companion for all your plumbing needs. But that's not all. The Universal Socket is not just for plumbers. It's a fantastic addition to any DIY enthusiast's toolbox. It's perfect for home improvement, construction, carpentry, auto repair, and other household maintenance tasks. Just look at the size difference compared to a traditional socket set. With the Universal Socket, you can replace multiple sockets with one compact tool, saving you both space and money. So, there you have it, folks, the Universal Socket, the best power tool for plumbers and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its versatility, durability, and ease of use make it a must-have in any toolkit. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews just like this one. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on this fantastic tool, leave a comment down below. Until next time, happy plumbing, and happy DIYing!